Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Hope you all are doing good. So I have been hearing that DJI Mini 3 with a smart RC is not giving a great range of flight mode. So in this video we'll be flying our DJI Mini 3 Pro with the smart RC, and we have hacked this DJI Mini 3 Pro to fly more than 120 meters. So we'll be quickly flying our drone in India to take the range test that we can achieve with this DJI Mini 3 Pro. So guys, as you can see on the screen, our height is around 108 meters and the distance that we have so far covered is 1200 meters, that is around 1.2 kilometers. So guys, I will not be flying the height more than 150 or 160 meters because I wanted to keep the height at the average of 90 to 120 meters. Our drone will be able to fly more than 120 meters, as we all know that in India we have the limit of 120 meters for DJI Mini 3 Pro, but with the DH companion we have bypassed this limit, that is 120 meters, and we are able to fly our DJI Mini 3 Pro more than 500 meters. You guys can check out the video to hack the DJI Mini 3 Pro. You'll find the video in the I button as well as in the description, so you can check out it in the detailed way how you can bypass the 120 meters limit. So guys, as you can see on the screen now, I am being on 120 meters, around 2200 meters we have covered. So now you can see that first time we have received that weak signal alert, even though we will be keeping on pushing our DJI Mini 3 Pro to reach the max range that it can achieve. So what you guys think? Do you think that we can exceed at least 5 kilometers of distance at 100 meters of average height? So let's see. We'll try to keep on pushing our drone, and we are continuously getting the alert of weak signal. So far I was on the normal mode, so I have switched to the sports mode now. So we can see that speed of the drone has also increased from 5 meters per second to 11 meters per second now. Guys, as you can see on the right corner of the screen, we are getting a alert of signal weakness, that is the signal is turning to red. Whenever it is turning to red, that means that signal of RC and drone has been lost, and if it is orange, that means the signal is weak. So here you can see that max altitude is also set to 500 meters, and in the safety settings I have said that whenever the signal of the RC is lost with the drone has to return to the home point. So guys, here in the max altitude you guys can see that it is set to 20 meters. Nothing to panic because RC has disconnected with the drone. It is continually disconnecting and connecting back, so the max altitude has auto changed from 500 meters to 20 meters, but that is not an issue. But anyways, we will be able to fly our drone more than 500 meters, and on the screen you are able to see that our height is around 129 or 130 meters. That means we have exceeded 120 meters, and the hack has been applied fine. So guys, whenever the signal of the RC and drone connection is lost, the viewpoint will be stuck and will not be able to see the viewpoint, as you are seeing on the screen that every time the viewpoint is getting stuck, and after a few seconds again the viewpoint is visible for us. But guys, here our drone battery is critically low, and we are getting an alert for return to home. So without taking any risk, I will be confirming for return to home. So we have achieved around 4 kilometers of distance at the height of 120 meters on an average. So guys, DJI Mini 3 Pro can achieve up to 4 kilometers, and I think it will be able to achieve 5 kilometers as well, with the average of 120 meters of height in India. So I don't think there is any issue with the range of the DJI Mini 3 Pro with the smart RC. So the people who are planning to purchase the DJI Mini 3 Pro and who are checking the review videos on the YouTube, many of the reviewers or YouTubers saying that the range is not good for the DJI Mini 3 Pro with the smart RC, but that's not true guys. Here you can see that the range we can achieve is up to 4 kilometers as I have tested. I think that also we will be able to achieve 5 kilometers. If I get any chance to test it more than 5 kilometers, I will definitely go ahead and test the range again with a full battery, and I will upload a video. With this, I would definitely tell you guys that DJI Mini 3 Pro is one of the bestest drone at its segment, and when it comes to the mini series, it is one of the bestest drone. And when it is compared with the Air 2s, then also I would say it is somewhere stands outstanding when compared to the Air 2s. If you guys want to have the detailed video comparing DJI Air 2s and DJI Mini 3 Pro, then definitely I will make a video on it. You please let me know in the comment section. And the people who are planning to purchase DJI Mini 3 Pro, I want to let you know guys that there is a 120 meters of limit in India, and we have a solid solution for the limit that is present in India, so no worries about it. That is a one-time hack that we have to follow, and then after, your DJI Mini 3 Pro will be able to fly more than 120 meters. So that's it for this video guys. I hope you have liked this video and found this video informative. If you guys found this video informative, do hit a like button and subscribe to the channel. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.